Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, I am around the place that I used to live. This house right here, that's where I used to live. And of course, like always, the landlord haven't cut the bushes. I lost my little paper. Guys, this is the summer walking challenge with Boss Lady Denise Fitness, Marina Latrina, The Voice That Matters, and Pitt's Life. Guys, oh my goodness. I've been walking for a while now. I'm on my way home. So this is my own neighborhood where I used to live. So we're gonna go down this hill. You know, I don't know why people park on the sidewalk, knowing that people gotta walk. I could either turn here in this corner and come out by the back of Family Dollar, I believe. I can't remember. I think so. I come out by the back of Family Dollar. But I'm gonna turn on the other corner. Guys, when I used to live over here in this neighborhood, in this is like a piece of land. And every time I walk by here, honestly, guys, it smells like death. We didn't know if somebody was dead in there or what, but I guess people got tired of hauling. I called the town one time and I reported. And they came out, they look over here, but the smell was coming out from here for where the fence is. And I drove by here about a week ago and I noticed that the fence was broken. And I think they actually went in there. They undid the fence, see? Now it doesn't smell. I'm talking about, I smelled that for years and now it doesn't smell like nothing. I'm just wondering if they found any. I'm telling you guys, they're out and about in their little go-karts or motorcycles or mopeds, you name it, they're all out there. Yep, now we are in the way back home. See? The house there's run down, it's abandoned. Oh, I forgot to mention, that's a church right there in the corner and also went out of business. But I want to do at least 14 to 15 minutes. Let's see. 10 minutes so far. Let's do a few more minutes. So guys, I'm going to keep on walking and I'm going to say, oh, I love, look at this flower. Look at this tree. Oh, they're already almost dying. That's a beautiful. Guys, I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And I do too. It will be into the next one. Bye.